How to add subtitle profiles. First, go to Options Settings. Here you can see that the profile is set to default with these settings. To add a new profile, just click on this 3 dots button. Now select the default profile and click on Copy button to make a duplicate from it. Now select the new profile and from the right side, you can edit the properties of this profile. For example, you can change the maximum number of characters in each line or max number of lines and other properties based on your needs. Once you're happy with the settings, just click on OK button. And now you can select the new profile you just created and click OK. To change the profile to another one, you can just click on the name of profile at the bottom right corner of the program. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.